Hello everyone, welcome to the channel dedicated to well-being in all its forms and depths. In this episode, we will present and explore in more detail theme 1 titled, Person and Place of Residence. We will cover the essential basic principles of makeup, structured as follows. 24 makeup mistakes that reveal a lack of etiquette. General principles on makeup. Makeup tips for maximum style and etiquette. 24 makeup mistakes that reveal a lack of etiquette. 1. Unclean skin. A dull, porous complexion with makeup on dirty skin gives an impression of negligence and poor hygiene. 2. Foundation too dark or too light. An artificial, mask-like effect betrays a lack of attention to detail and poor understanding of one's skin tone. 3. Poorly concealed dark circles. A tired and shadowed look highlights imperfections and suggests a lack of sleep or poor health. 4. Poorly shaped or drawn eyebrows. Overly thin, thick, or poorly drawn eyebrows disrupt the balance of the face and give an impression of amateurism and neglect. 5. Too thick or poorly applied eyeliner. A harsh, outlined, and artificial look reveals a lack of technique and an excessive pursuit of dramatic effects. 6. Unblended eyeshadow. Abrupt color transitions and unblended areas give a careless and unprofessional appearance. 7. Clumpy or over-applied mascara. Stuck together, overloaded lashes give an impression of lack of care and sophistication. 8. Sparkly eyelids during the day. An excessive and inappropriate daytime look attracts attention and appears superficial. 9. Poorly applied or smudged lipstick. Blurry outlines, smudges, and red teeth reveal a lack of care and attention to detail. 10. Lipstick too bright or inappropriate. A color that is too flashy or poorly chosen for the skin tone and occasion gives an impression of vulgarity and bad taste. 11. Too dark or poorly applied lip liner. An artificial and enlarging lip effect betrays a lack of technique and an excessive search for glamour. 12. Excessive bronzer application. An orange and artificial complexion gives an impression of negligence and a lack of knowledge about makeup techniques. 13. Poorly applied or overdone blush. Artificially pink cheeks and blurry contours reveal a lack of technique and an excessive search for a doll-like effect. 14. Poorly applied or overly shiny highlighter. Excessive and poorly distributed shiny spots on the face give an impression of vulgarity and lack of refinement. 15. Makeup not suitable for age. Overly heavy or too youthful makeup on a mature woman, or overly minimal makeup on a young woman, reveals a lack of adaptation to age-specific needs and circumstances. 16. Makeup not suitable for the occasion. Too sophisticated makeup for the day or too simple for an evening event suggests a lack of style sense and context adaptation. 17. Makeup not suitable for skin tone. Colors that are too bright or dark for light skin, or too light for dark skin, reveal a lack of knowledge about makeup techniques and enhancing natural beauty. 18. Makeup not suitable for face shape. Makeup that does not highlight facial features or conceal imperfections betrays a lack of knowledge about contouring and highlighting techniques. 19. Touching up makeup in public. Applying or removing makeup, or touching up lipstick in public, gives an impression of negligence and lack of consideration for others. 20. Using expired or poor quality products. Flaky, cracked, or dull makeup betrays a lack of care and investment in quality products. 21. Dirty or damaged makeup tools. Dirty brushes, worn-out sponges, or broken pencils give an impression of negligence and poor hygiene. 22. Poorly done permanent makeup. Poorly drawn eyebrows or lips, blurry outlines, or unnatural colors betray a lack of care and excessive pursuit of permanence. 23. Poorly done tattooed makeup. Poorly drawn eyebrows or lips, blurry outlines, or unnatural colors betray a lack of care and excessive pursuit of permanence. 24. Blindly following trends. Following trends without considering personal skin tone, face shape, or style gives an impression of lack of personality and excessive pursuit of fashion. Effects on observers. These makeup mistakes can have negative effects on observers, who may feel judgment, an impression of negligence, lack of hygiene, or poor taste. Distraction. Attention drawn to makeup imperfections rather than the person themselves. Confusion. Perplexity over inappropriate makeup for the situation or skin tone. Pity. Sympathy for someone who seems to lack mastery of makeup techniques. Amusement. Lightheartedness or mockery towards excessive or poorly done makeup. General principles on makeup. Makeup. A matter of beauty and etiquette. Makeup is not a mask. It should enhance natural beauty, not obscure it, while respecting facial expressions. Men's makeup. Generally limited to basic grooming like manicure, pedicure, hair removal, and facial cleansing. Women's makeup. Should adapt to age, occasion, personality, and lighting. Overly intense makeup can age and harden features. Discreet touch-ups. Makeup should not be applied in public. Touch-ups should be done discreetly, out of sight. Nail care. Hands and feet should be clean, trimmed, and well maintained. Avoid cleaning nails in public. Nail polish. Choose elegant and durable colors, and avoid chipped polish or bitten nails. Manicure and pedicure. Seek professional help if you cannot or do not know how to care for your nails yourself. Tattoos and piercings. Personal expression and group affiliation. Decisions should be based on social and professional context. The importance of naturalness and restraint. Makeup should highlight natural facial beauty, not transform it completely. Invest in quality products and use them sparingly to avoid an artificial effect. Overdone makeup can accentuate facial imperfections rather than enhance natural beauty. Adapting to circumstances. Makeup choices should consider the occasion and context. Light, natural makeup is suitable for daytime, while more sophisticated makeup may be appropriate for evening events. Consider lighting when choosing products and colors. Skin care and hygiene. Clean and healthy skin is the foundation of successful makeup. Remove makeup thoroughly each night and keep the skin hydrated. Use products suited to your skin type to achieve a uniform and radiant complexion. Respect for oneself and others. Makeup should be a tool for self-expression and enhancing natural beauty, not conforming to unrealistic beauty standards. Respect others' makeup choices, even if you don't agree with them. Makeup tips for maximum style and etiquette. 1. Enhance natural beauty. The goal is to highlight features and boost natural beauty. Use quality products and avoid excessive application. 2. Adapt your makeup. Choose natural and subtle makeup for day, and more dramatic for evenings. Consider lighting and cultural customs. 3. Skin care. Remove makeup nightly, hydrate regularly, and use gentle products tailored to your skin type. 4. Respect and authenticity. Use makeup to express yourself, respect others' choices, and ensure your makeup enhances your natural beauty rather than hiding it. In summary, the text on makeup emphasizes thoughtful use of makeup and personal grooming to enhance natural beauty while adhering to etiquette. Following these guidelines will help you become skilled in makeup while respecting social norms and enhancing your natural beauty. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips will aid in your personal development and deeper connection with something greater. Subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming videos on well-being and personal growth. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video, and leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. See you soon.